we have a 2012 Monterey 204FSX. It does have a ladder in the front and the back, docking lights, Venture trailer, extended swim platform, lots of room back here, nice handle to get up. It does have the walk-through transom, so you can move the cushions out of the way, let everybody get in, and then put them back for more seating. Stereo remote back here, very clean. White interior with red accents. Does have the bolster seats if you want to sit up higher. Tilt steering, depth finder, fusion stereo. Rated for 9 passengers. Built-in coolers. Stereos in the glove box. Stainless cup holders, grab handles, nice bow with grab handles. Really clean boat. Lots of cup holders. Ski locker. There's where the table goes, under that back seat. Bimini top and full cover.